Next, I would like to call Dr. H. Chaturvedi, the director at BIMTech, to impart a few words to the students of the first batch. Dr. Chaturvedi, sir, request you to please take it forward.
Thank you, Rajesh. I feel very much delighted today because for last 20 years, we have seen the great work done by Mr. Ronnie Screwvala in the entertainment industry, particularly films produced by his earlier company, UTV. And I remember one film I have seen, Swades. It was about the reverse brain drain. And then he is continuously innovating and promoting new kinds of companies like Upgrade, which is a major force in online education today in our country. He is promoting kabaddi and football in our country. And I liked that on values level, BIMTech and Mr. Ronnie Screwvala, we are on the same wavelength. Mr. Screwvala and his wife, Ms. Jarina, they have been running a very important not-for-profit organization called Swades Foundation. And Swades Foundation is further developing the concept of reverse brain drain. Means for last 70 years, talented people used to leave villages for cities. And now he is promoting that the talented people originally belonging to villages, they should leave cities and they should go to villages. In one of the backward district of Maharashtra, Raigad, Swades Foundation is doing human service by promoting livelihoods and very noble concept. I would request all the participants joining this program, they should see it on the website of Swades Foundation, that how a rupees 2 lakhs per annum livelihood can be ensured for the people who are participating in different development programs promoted by Swades Foundation. So this is about the
Thank you, sir.
Founder and MD of Upgrade. And I liked his persona, his values, and his initiative to help the poor people of our country. This is a very novel concept to launch. We are feeling very happy that we are launching a 2 years online program. We were dreaming to do it for last 10 years. We could not do it because there were so many procedures, difficult, cumbersome procedures. And we were waiting for the time. And last February, the AICTE, All India Council for Technical Education, has recognized 2 institutions in our country in the scheme of graded autonomy, and these were called Category 1 Institution, XLRI and BIMTech. Under this scheme, these institutions were given so many privileges. One of the privileges is to launch any online program in the field of management without going to the regulator and taking their permission. Otherwise, normally, any B school is supposed to go to Distance Education Council for India or AICTE or UGC to take their permission. Here we have got automatic permission to launch any online program. We are not in a hurry. We don't believe in reaching to big numbers, and we were searching a good partner. After scouting for so many edtech companies, we have identified and zeroed on Upgrade because of the name and fame of Mr. Ronnie Screwvala and the young promoters like Falgun who have been coming to our campus and with whom we have been interacting. They are the really passionate and committed people who want to provide quality programs to the millions of Indian young people working in industries or in government, and they could not find time. And I would like to tell you, to all those participants, that coming decade will provide you a lot of benefits out of your degree taken from this institute after successfully completing the course, because government is giving impetus to online learning. The coronavirus has given this idea to the government that they have to promote it, not only because it is flawless, its cost is not compared to less than to the offline or physical format of institutions. Setting up a university and college requires huge amount of money for the government, which government cannot afford. Government under the National Education Policy is envisaging that the gross enrollment ratio in our country, which is 26.4% per annum, 26.4 gross enrollment ratio, which means that in the age group of 18 to 23, more than 26 students are enrolled in universities and colleges. Now the government is envisaging that it should reach to 50% by 2035, within the next 15 years. So earlier, the distance learning used to be stepsister of the traditional physical on-site learning, but now the government is giving its due significance, and I am hopeful that coming years you will get instant recognition for this course in getting decent jobs in corporate sector. Lastly, I would like to say that next 20 years, there will be a lot of churning in the industry worldwide because of Industry 4.0. I hope that you will be able to curious to know about the details of those big changes which are in offing. And one big change that is going to happen in next 20 years is that you will require a lot of upskilling and reskilling due to Industry 4.0, because the skills which will be required 15 years henceforth by 2035 or 2040, those skills are not readily available today. And those skills which are existing today for running industries will become obsolete within the next 10 years. So it's the right time you are entering into getting this course when you require upskilling and reskilling, and also you would like to become a lifelong learner. All of us, not only young people like you, but all of us, including the faculty and corporate people, they are required to become lifelong learners because there are big changes are in offing. Here I would like to conclude. I compliment our team led by Professor Sanjeev Dubey and the team of Upgrade led by Mr. Falgun and many young people. And we are hopeful that under the leadership of Mr. Ronnie Screwvala and Mr. Vikas Kandoi, we shall provide you a very high quality program. Thank you.